Spliff with kamikaze kusha man. Yeah, yeah. The wind blows soft on the land. Jah bless the works of every hand. Drumbeat echo through the street. Freedom rhythm move the feet. Me wake up with a chant in my soul. Freedom call me to the goal. Me see the youth them rise and shine. Shoot a line, the stars combine. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Freedom spirit never die. Every man and woman sing. Jah power make them king. Me hear the elders tell the tale. How love and faith prevail. From the struggles to the glory. Every pain become just story. The roots so deep, the sky so wide. Jah dwell on every side. Me chant for unity, me chant for grace. Blessings flow in every place. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up me people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. The youth them dancing in the rain. Healing wash away the pain. Me see the joy in every face. Peace are the only race. Every drum beat, every sound. Jah spirit circle round. From Kingston town to Addis Plain. Freedom calling again. The fire burn, the heart so pure. Rasta spirits ever sure. Me sing for hope, me sing for love. Blessings fall from up above. Me hold the line, me hold the light. Through the dark, through the fight. No fear, no sorrow, no despair. Jah presence everywhere. Heartbeat of freedom strong. Carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up me people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. So keep the heartbeat pure and true. Freedom live inside of you. One love forever burn. Till the righteous are returned.
Nah, nah, nah. Rasta man chant ya man. Oh, oh, I. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. In the rain a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far. Guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, my spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything align, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Yeah, Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh ah, oh ah, oh ah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start for show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain mountain to the sea, Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah blessing everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever sound, yeah. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. Oh, ah, oh, ah, oh, ah. So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah wherever you go. Oh, one heart, one love, one flame. Forever in Jah name. Forever in Jah name. Oh, ah, oh, oh,
Na 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 kaya. And sweet ka by me side, yeah man. Me sit beside the river bank, give Jah thanks, me soul give thanks. Water whisper holy sound, peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise, mirror the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain. Jah river cleanse again, from the mountain top it fall. Blessing flow for one and all. Me chant for life, me chant for peace. Righteousness never cease. The river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal and how the truth reveal. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing, Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace, peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never end, it flow round every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice, nature sing in one voice. No fear, no hate, no greed, just Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide, flow together side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire. His word me heart's desire, no joy can stop the stream. Love forever dream. River of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt.
Blaze upon the mountain peak, flames of Zion rise and speak. Not of terror, not of war, but the fire of truth we adore. Vision bright, heart ignite, every spirit bathed in light. Ancient prophets whisper still, Zion fire reveal Jah will. Echo roll across the plain, wash away the guilt. Zion flame light up the sky. Burn, burn, holy flame, cleanse the earth in Jah name. Rise, rise, never die. Zion blaze across the sky. Flame eternal, pure and bright. Keep the people in Jah light. Hey. Flames of Mount Zion, bold and strong. Guide the righteous, keep them long. Light up the night, shine so clear. Flames of Zion, always near. Forever burning, pure and true. Zion fire, carry you. No more shadow, no more fear. Flames of Zion, always here. Rasta Marcus rule this place, yeah, man. Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shine in line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore, nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light, promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone.
nature, man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot pan sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like man in mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man, stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife. Me no stress about the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laughing a yard pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them truth through reggae style. With love and rhythm we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody fi heal the lands. Me nah judge skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them said chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above. Me nah follow trend or hype. Me follow Rasta, me trad it right. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Meditation deeper than ocean. Vibration real, no illusion. From coconut tree to secret drum. Rasta youth know where we from. No Babylon distraction can break we soul. Zion echoes forever.
Ay, 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 ay. Ganja with Zion. Raga, yeah, man. The soil soft under me feet. Me walk where love and nature meet. Me plant me dreams, me plant me care. Urban hope in the same air. Me know say Jah provide the best. Me see creation live and move. In every leaf the truth improve. Zion growing away like tree roots deep and free. From heart to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Meditation deep like rain in spring. Roots vibration make me sing. Me chanting I feel, me reason pure. Love and healing are Jah cure. No wickedness in our yard, only truth and works of God. Zion afar it start in a soul and grow in a will like stories told. Me see the hills wear crown of green like the promise Jah always mean. Me feel the rhythm in every breeze. Zion speak through birds and trees. Me share me harvest, me share me word. No gate, no wall, just love preferred. Zion grow when we overstand that Jah reside in every land. Zion growing away like tree roots deep and free. From heart to earth the link is clear. Jah kingdom manifesting here. Yes, I am growing away. For all who chant and plant faithfully.
Jah bless the land and the people, your man. Deep within the sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold, stories ancient, truths untold. Not by riches, not by might, garden grow in Jah light. Living roots entwined so free, carrying love eternally. Whisper soft, a breeze of peace, garden song shall never cease. Fruit of wisdom, fruit of grace, feed the people, heal the race. Shade of mercy, shade of care, garden shelter everywhere. Every herb a holy sign, medicine of Jah divine. Water pure, flowing still, garden grow by Jah will. From the river songs arise, healing shine before the eyes. Generations plant again, garden heal the heart of men. No more hunger, no more war, roots of Zion spread afar. Every vine a sacred line, carry strength through space and time. Ever living, ever true,
Yeah, man.
Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in Zion what them need. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace. Welcome to Jah holy place. It shine with pearl, it shine with flame. Every gate a holy name. It call the children home to stay. Guide the tribe along the way. No sword, no chain can bar the road. Gates of Zion ease the load. Every step a chant of peace. Every turn a sweet release. It open wide both night and day. Never close, no man can say. It guard the path, it guard the song. Keep the people moving strong. It echo sound of drum and lyre, burning bright with holy fire. Every gate a blessing new. Open arms for me and you. Me walk through gate and lift me head. Hear the words the prophet said. It call me heart to live upright. Guide me steps in Jah true light. No fear inside, no tears remain. Only love fi heal the pain. Every stone a prayer so true. Gates of Zion shine for you. When the morning star arise, gates of Zion paint the skies. It open wide for all mankind. Bless the soul and heal the mind. Forever open, never close. From the root the blessing grows. Every nation, every song, gates of Zion bring we home. Come one, come all, gates of Zion never fall. No lock, no chain can close the way. Zion open night and day. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace. Welcome to Jah holy place. From dawn to dusk, from start to end, gates of Zion always friend.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is so high and music play a man. Hear the pounding in the street, iron drum beat, move the feet. Calling warriors, calling friends. Rhythm rise and Babylon ends. Thunder echo, bassline roll. Iron drum ignite the soul. No more silence, no retreat. People march on iron beat. Sound wave travel, wall collapse. Iron drum close all the gaps. Concrete crack beneath the sound. Drum of justice shake the ground.
every corner, every lane. Iron drum, me raise the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall. Drum of Zion, call them all. Through the fire, through the fight. Iron drum, a guiding light. Strike the skin, release the cry. Freedom echo through the sky. Voices blend with every strike. Drum unite them all alike. Not for hatred, not for greed. Drumbeat carry what we need. Rise together, hold the line. Iron rhythm, pure divine. Stronger, louder, day by day. Drum of freedom, clear the way. Pulse eternal, steady strong. Iron drum forever song. On the hilltop, in the square, iron rhythm everywhere. Echo deep in every chest. Beat of life and holy rest. Warrior rise, people sing. Iron drum awaken king. Generation chant along. Drumbeat right eternal song. Boom boom echo real. Iron drum make Babylon kneel. Beat beat heavy and true. Iron rhythm carry you. Steady steady, bold and free. Iron drum for unity. Iron drum beat, shake the night, bring the darkness into light. Stand united, hear the call. Iron drum for one and all. Never fading, never weak. Iron drum beat when we speak. Forever sounding bold and pure. Iron drum, our truth secure. Ay, 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 Zion reggae, yeah, man. Build on stone of ancient days, temple standing holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod. From earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion, pure Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Oh, oh, oh. Me hear the drum beat in me chest. Heartbeat sync with the ancients' quest. Me chant Psalm 23 so soft. While ganja cloud me spirit lift aloft. Me no deal with vanity show. Me find me riches in the roots that grow. Each leaf a teacher, each bud divine. In a Jah garden me find the sign. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me born Babylon, plan and fear. Inhale wisdom, exhale care. The chalice circle like sacred right. The moon watch over we every night. Me sit in silence, hold Jah word. Each breath deeper, spirit stirred. Chalice lift me, me vision bright. Meditation make me see the light. Me reason with elder from long time past. Him say youth, hold Jah love steadfast. Me humble self to the natural flow. Fi see what me eyes alone can't know. Me take me time, me walk the mile. Each straw stretch fi another while. Me inhale hope, me exhale fear. Me know Jah Jah always near. Chalice meditation, breath and flame. Call Jah name, no need for shame. Me reason I, me thoughts them clean. Herb and spirit walk between. Me reason I, me mind so still. Chalice full and Jah do will.
Smoke a spliff inna the morning, yeah man. Man. Me rise up early, sun kiss me face. Blessed morning in a holy place. Me step barefoot on earth so green. Ganja leaf dip on the sea. Me give thanks for the breath me take. For the life and every move me make. Me brew me tea from roots and bark. Me chant a song when the roosters bark. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me nah need no goal. Just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me plant me food, me till me land. Me hold the drum with a steady hand. Me woman bring fruits from the tree. She is natural, just like me. No fake smile, no plastic vibe. We live clean, love deep and thrive. No rush life, no clock fi bind. Me time flow in Jah Jah time. Me look to the hills, me see me dream. Me hear ancestors on the mountain stream. Them guide me steps when the world get loud. Them lift me spirit from beneath the cloud. Me chant them names and me keep them near. Me walk with courage, never fear. Me meditate and the vision clear. Me know who me is, me mission here. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me no need no goal, just nature, music and truths untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Me sit on stone beside me drum. Me heart beat like a lion come. Me light one spliff fi cleanse me mind. Me see the signs me used to blind. The children run, them laugh and play. Them carry the sun into the day. Me teach them truth, me show them peace. Me show them how love never cease. Herb is me sacrament, me meditation tool. Me burn it in a silence or by the stream pool. No violence, no hate, me chant for love. Me answer to guidance from Jah above. Me nah follow fashion or Babylon pace. Me find me reading in a Rasta grace. It's a Rasta morning, light shine bright. Me feel the power of Jah in a every sight. Me burn me herb and me close me eye. Me soul levitate to the bluest sky. In a this life me no need no goal, just nature, music and truth untold. Rasta morning, sweet and slow. Me walk with Jah wherever me go. Oh, morning light on Rasta face. Peace and love in a sacred space. Me praise the sun, me bless the rain. Me live for joy, not chase no gain. Rasta morning, light and clear. Rasta morning, Jah is near.
No, 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 no. No, 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 Zion. Ragaya man. Burning flame from Zion land. Holy spark of Jah hand. It blaze eternal, never gone. Zion fire blazing strong. It burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire call Jah name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure the holy light. Every spark eternal flame. Zion fire exalt Jah name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion fire all people seek. Forever burning, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire every day. Forever glowing pure and white. Zion fire hold it tight. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire carry you. It blaze the night, righteous, yeah. Guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride. Crown of Zion, burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame. Every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion, bright and true. Bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away. Crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line. Crown eternal, crown divine. It marked the child of righteous ways. Keep it faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock. Crown of Zion, firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew. Crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophet's soul. It tell the story lovers told. It guide the people through the flame. Keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright. Crown of Zion, share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come. Crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear. It say, stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak. Crown of Zion, hear them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace. It make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rest. Crown of Zion, ever blessed. When the trumpets start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it lights the road. It lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign. Crown of Jah, remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire. Crown of Zion, never tire. Shine bright, shine strong. Crown of Zion, all lifelong. No gold of man, no earthly fame. Crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion, bright and true. Bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away. Crown of Jah forever stay. From first breath till judgment day. Crown of Zion, light the way.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion, Jamaica, Reggae, man. Them build up tower, but it can't last. System based pan shadow pass. Me sight the lies behind this smile. Them feed the youth a toxic style. But we awake, we see the plot. Them selling poison, call it lot. Me bond the chain, me lift me head. Jah light make me spirit fed. Burn Babylon slow. One truth has stopped the show. No need for rage or east. Justice rise and cleanse the waste. Me see the hungry, the poor, the cry. While some fly jet in the sky. But equal rights, a flame still strong. It burn for right, it burn for wrong. Me chant with drum, me voice a sword. Me lyrics sharper than them word. is known. Me teach me youth, fi think and grow, fi plant new seed and make it show. Me no preach hate, me chant fi cleanse. Me build a bridge, no need fi fence. Babylon crumbles slow but sure. Each lie exposed, them can't endure. Me hold the faith, me hold me ground, till Zion trumpet shake the town. Burn Babylon slow, one truth that stop the show. No need for rage or haste, justice rise and cleanse the waste. Yes, burn it slow but burn it real.